Hello and how are you? In this tutorial, we will learn how to change the theme of visual fields. This is my current theme, but I don't like it visually. So, you can easily click on this manage button like over here, then click on file VC or click on Control K. Okay, then you can see this is the song. So the light, which is just this, then just open it and there will be this one and there's like anything like the pie, which is let's go to the column, select the color, which is this for me is very bad for me. Okay, and you can just choose like this, but I think this is not really good. And you can do like there's red, some around blue, and the money. But it is good to be like this, and you can see the list which we are currently on, and that there are just the so you can see here the list settings button, and this is so just you can install it or set a color theme or things like that, but you can just easily go from here. This is how you can change the color theme of Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code.